Hello everyone. Today we are at Doon School, Srinagar, and we have an amazing personality with us right here, Mr. Surinder Khanna. Sir is a former Indian cricketer. He has played domestic cricket for Delhi and 10 one-day international matches for India between 1979 and 1984. Talking about Sir's domestic career, Sir has played for Delhi at Ranji Trophy. He had his first debut in 1976 and a century in each innings at final Ranji Trophy against Karnataka at Bangalore in 1978 to 1979. And that was the moment where Sir became the limelight. Now we would like to have a conversation with Sir. Sir, I would like to ask you about your experience in the cricket field.
Well, it's a long journey. To put that in 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I think I won't be able to do justice to that. But I can surely say that I enjoyed every bit of it. You know, I always tell my kids or any friend whose children to schools, colleges, wherever I go, that you do that thing which gives you pleasure, you have passion for. And when I was in my higher secondary, we used to have boards in the 11th class. That was the year 72. And I was a science student. I played for Delhi school, then I got picked for Northern schools. 1 week before the final exams, I was in Calcutta playing Northern versus West Zone. We had Kapil Dev at that time, Ashok Malhotra, Rajendra Amanath, Emmanuel Benjamin. He eventually played for India school. They settled in Tasmania. We're still in touch. Deepak Chopra, who at the age of 15 played Dulip Trophy from Amritsar, Punjab. So we were a great bunch. I came back. I had promised my dad I'll take first division. I had promised my principal, late R.C. Pathak, who was a great disciplinarian, and he always talked about merit, studies. He had no interest in sports, but that didn't deter me, and I played, and I got a first division.
Absolutely great.
I represented Northern schools. Then the Hindu college, one of the finest college, the cricket captain came to our house, spoke to my dad that I should pursue cricket, and Hindu college will be very happy to have me. My dad asked me, what you want to do? You wanted to be an engineer, and now how this cricket came in? So, well, Dad, in 6 months, I played for Northern schools. I started my school journey representing Delhi in 71-72 in Srinagar. Amar Singh Club, matting wicket, and it snowed that day when we landed here. And Chairman Saab, Shaukat Saab, and everyone, he's made us so comfortable, I can't tell you. I feel at home. I've started calling my friends. Dr. Bhatt is there at the ground. And we had a great dinner yesterday. Traditional dinner. The hospitality was marvelous, awesome. I posted a message to first message to my daughter. She said that I feel आप वापस नहीं आओगे, आप वहीं के हो जाओगे. Like I'm saying, I'm in a school. I will tell the parents, सारे इंजीनियर डॉक्टर नहीं बनते हैं यार. कुछ लोग जो है फनकार भी बनते हैं. आज अरिजीत सिंह सिंगर 6 करोड़ रुपए एक कॉन्सर्ट के लेता है. 6 crores. Tell me, is there anyone in the country who charges that kind? But you have to excel in that and become really very good. Mediocrity will not count. भीड़ में शामिल नहीं होना है. You have to become the best. You are in one of the finest schools. I'm not saying that for the heck of it. I know a lot of people here. And I'd heard Dhoni had started his academy here. If he came here, that shows Shaukat Saab has a large heart
Yes, very much.
for sports. And sports brings people, communities, countries closer. And it also teaches you discipline. To know about what is right and wrong, we need to study. We need to know our rights. We need to know the discipline. There's a very thin line which separates from discipline to indiscipline. At home, mother, father, in school, the teachers, they are our role models. Now this program here, शौकत साहब इज़ वेरी काइंड और इनका पूरा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, इनका स्टाफ, मुझे एक सेकंड के लिए नहीं लगा, हमारी पूरी टीम को, निर्मल, परमिंदर, मुशी, कि कहीं लगा हो कि मैं पहली बार यहाँ आया हूँ.
First of all, thank you so very much from the
Pleasure,
bottom of
sir.
my heart
Pleasure.
that you have been here for a complete 3 days. You were completely in the ground with the students, seeing their talent and tried to pick up them. So I could see a spark in you that you wanted that few of the cricketers should come up, very good cricketers should come up. That I could see. So Mr. Khanna Sahab, thank you so very much for being here.
My pleasure, sir.
We are going to organize few more camps, inshallah, by the grace of God, in the coming year. If you do good in sports, so it has to be in parallel. Sports and education, they are now quite balanced. We cannot ignore each one of it.
Very true.
So it has to be part of the whole school system. That if a child is having even less marks, that means 80%, it indicates he is somewhere utilizing his brain somewhere else.
Somewhere else.
That somewhere else is sports. It can be sports. And you will see the overall development of the child. And when he comes in the society, the child, having 80% marks or 70% marks, they are doing wonders. I believe the change in the society is only possible if we give equal opportunity to these young talented boys. If you never know, some of them can play this in the Indian team. They can be
Definitely,
in the Olympics.
definitely.
Yes.
Yeah.
Doon School has always been upfront for any of the sports activities. Now maybe in the month of April we are keeping our academy open. I talked to Mr. Khanna also, so he will also support us for the academy. So academy will be open and we are planning, I'm purely planning to make it from morning till evening hours, so that maybe up to 8 and 9. Thank you, Mr. Khanna Sahab.
It's a pleasure.
Again, for
Pleasure,
being
sir.
here in Doon School.